On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA Group, but you can join any CPA network that you know. You can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, or any CPA network that you know. Once you join a CPA network, the next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. On CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to scroll down and then select any offer that you want to promote. As you can see on your screen, there are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them, so just select any offer that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. CPA offers, they are geo specific, so what you have to do is that you have to select a specific country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers that are allowed in that country for you to promote. For example, you can see all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. If you promote to people who live outside the United Kingdom, once they click on your affiliate link, they can't get access to the offers. So you have to select a country where you have a traffic source. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select a country where you can get offers with higher payout. So you have to come right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and select any country that you want. So we are going to search for Switzerland. Switzerland has offers with higher payout. So we are going to search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you select Switzerland, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that are available for you to promote to people who live in Switzerland. You can see a whole lot of different offers. The good part is that most of these offers have higher payout. So if you are able to get a lead, you can be earning a lot of money. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. This one, the same amount. When I scroll down, you can see this one, you are going to be earning $10.78 per every lead that you get. There are a lot of different offers that have higher payout. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of them that you want and then begin to promote it. As you can see, all the offers, the language is in German. So what you have to do is that you have to translate it to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. So to translate it, you have to right click on your screen. Once you right click, you have to scroll down and then select translate to English. So click on it, translate to English. Once you click on it, you can see everything has been translated. You can see that you can now read and understand what the offers are about. For example, you can see this offer, play the best games. This is a gaming offer that you can promote to people who live in Switzerland. You can see the next one, access your content. It is also a gaming content. So now once you understand what the offers are about, the next step is that you have to select any of them that you want to promote. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, play the best games. It is a gaming offer, so I want to promote to people who want to play games so that they can get access to the content, and I will pay $20.53. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their PIN. Once they enter their PIN, they can get access to the games and I'm going to be paid. They don't need to purchase anything. Now once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning, the offer is only allowed on Android in Switzerland. You can see this is the description of the offer. Now the next step is that you have to get a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the games, and you are going to be paid $20.53 per every lead that you get. You can use paid traffic source or you can use free traffic source. It depends on the kind of traffic that you want. In this case, we are going to be using a paid traffic source because the payout is high. So even if you get some few people to enter their details, we are still going to be making profits. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is clickadela.com. This website is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link. The traffic is very cheap, so no matter your budget, you can be able to buy traffic on this website. The best part is that they have a lot of different ad formats, so you can select any of them that you want. You can see some of the ad formats, the cost per click is 0.0005. That is extremely very low. So even if you're a complete beginner, you can be able to buy traffic on this website. you can see a whole lot of different things about this website. They are available in over 240 countries. You can see, so any country that you want to target, you can be able to buy traffic on this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can be able to run ads on this website. So click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you have to enter your name, enter your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, enter your social media handle. Once that is done, if you want, you can enter your phone number. Once that is done, scroll down and then click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on sign up so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select your ad format. You can see the different ad formats that you can select. Just select any of them that you want. They are about 16, so you can select any of them that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select in-page push. So select that. Once you select in-page push, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then enter your campaign name. So give it a name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type games. So just enter games. Once that is done, you can see the pricing model. You have to select any of them that you want. The first one is CPM. So if you select this model, it means you're going to be paying per 1,000 impressions. You can see it right here. So I'm going to select this one right here. Once you have selected the pricing model, the next step is that you have to enter the amount that you want to pay per 1,000 impressions. You can see this is the default price, so you can adjust it. If you want, you can lower it. You can lower it to the level that you want, or you can increase it to the amount that you want. You can see you can increase it or you can lower it. In this case, I'm going to lower it a little bit. So let me lower it a little bit. So let me leave it like this. I'm going to be paying $1 per 1,000 visit that I get. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the traffic quality. Leave it as high. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select an ad. So if you have an ad, you can select it. If you don't have one, you have to create it. So click right here, create new one. Once you click on create new one, now what you have to do is that you have to enter the name of your campaign. So let's start something like play the best games, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA group, click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, save. As you can see, that has been done. It has been saved successfully. Once you have created your ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, select your ad. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select your ad, the next step is that you have to select the traffic category. You can see they have adult traffic and then mainstream traffic. In this case, we want mainstream traffic. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the different categories of mainstream traffic. You can see a whole lot of them. So you can select any specific category that you want, or you can leave it like this. In this case, I'm going to leave it like this. Once you have selected the mainstream traffic, the cost per impression has been reduced. You can see this is the recommended price. So we can even reduce the amount here. You can reduce it to 72 cents. We can reduce it because that is the recommended price. So we can reduce it like this. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see the country. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Switzerland. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and select Switzerland. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down to the button, you can find Switzerland. So just scroll down to the button. Or if you want, you can type Switzerland here. Just type Switzerland. Once you type it, you can see it right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the country, the next step is that you have to select a region. So if you want to select any region in Switzerland, you can do that. But in this case, we are targeting all over Switzerland. So just leave it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the connection type. Just leave it because it is not needed. Once that is done, you can see device type. You have to click on it and then select mobile. You can see mobile and tablet. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the device vendor. It is not necessary, so just leave it. You can see browsers, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see languages. You have to select the languages. In this case, the people who live in Switzerland speak German, they speak French, they speak Romansh, they speak English. So you can select all those languages. So search for German. Just search for German. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to search for English, so search for English. You can see English, search for it. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you are going to search for Romash, so search for Romash. You can see Romash, click on it. Once that is done, you are going to search for French, so you can see French, select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the languages, the next step is that you have to select the operating system, so click on it right here. Once you click on it, you have to select the operating system that it is allowed. It is allowed on Android, so what you have to do is that you have to search for Android, so search for Android. You can see Android, select it, select Android. Once you select the operating system, the next step is that you have to select the IP location. In this case, it is not necessary, so just leave it. You can see operating system version, leave it. Operating system version, just leave it. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. If you want to blacklist or whitelist any website, you can do that, but in this case, we're not going to do anything like that, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the hourly limit, the amount that you want to spend per hour. You can enter the daily limit, the amount that you want to spend per day. You can enter the total limit, the amount that you want to spend in total on your ad. In this case, we are not going to select any of that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. If you want to schedule your campaign, you can do it. See, you can select any day that you want your ad to run and the days that you don't want your ad to run, so just leave it. In this case, we are not going to select anything like that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see your campaign has been created. You can see it right here, games. So now the next step is that you have to deposit funds into your accounts so that your campaign can start running. To deposit funds, click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can select any payment method that you want. You can see they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your account, so just select any of them that you want and then deposit the money into your account. So you can see they have a lot of them, so just select the one that is convenient to you and then deposit the money into your account so that your campaign can start running on this website, and you are going to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. For example, let's click on credit card. Once you click on it, you can see the minimum amount that you can deposit is $50. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to contact your accounts manager so that they can give you a promo code. Once they give you a promo code, anytime you deposit money, you are going to be getting bonus. So make sure you contact your accounts manager before you deposit money into your accounts. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.